Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix Windows found error on this drive, then let's look at the solutions. The first solution would be is to run the check this command on command prompt. So let's look for command prompt, right click and then run as administrator. Yes, and we would run the command chk dsk space /f space /r, press enter and press Y and enter. And Windows will scan the disk for bad sectors and will correct the bad sectors if it is able to do so. And we hope it is able to do so. And I use the word hope very positively because if it doesn't work, if this option doesn't work, then the only other option would be is to replace the hard disk drive. Because if Windows cannot repair the bad sectors, then this error will keep occurring again and again. So either you have to deal with the occasional error pop-ups, or you will just have to invest in a new hard disk drive. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.